the news and I came here. It is very nice. And the people from Madurai and Coimbatore, all the PhD students are very, very talented. And the one thing which I observed that they are actually seeing the pain point, and then from the pain point they are developing their project, you know.
Yeah, I have gone through this Global Conference Students Innovation Expo. It's well organized. Students exhibited their research work in a very applicable manner, and it's a very good platform for the students as well as for the industrialists to get contact each other and also to move further for next level.
இப்போ வந்து இட் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் ஸோ லைக் நிறையா செடியெல்லாம் வளர்த்துறேன், எனக்கு இதில் கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது இட்ஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் மீ. ஸோ இது எப்படி ஒரு நார்மல் க்ரோத்தை விட சில இதில் இது பண்ணும்போது அது ரேண்டமாக ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக எப்படி க்ரோத் ஆகுது. ஸோ அதில் எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் எல்லாமே சூப்பராக தந்தாங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார்
It is the overall view of this expo and your conference is really good because it gives an answer and a solution to the current scenario. You know very well that today it's a big problem with the fertilizers application, and there is a big demand for the fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, which is not available in the global scenario, not only in India. The expo, some of your stalls which has given a solution for this kind of a thing because it is more on the nanotechnology. So there is a good demand and good opportunity for the nanotechnology products, and also you have some of the unique products which your people have invented.